Hi everyone, it's Annalisa here. I'm gonna show you my completed album. So we just finished this last week, and what's unique about this completed album is it is done entirely with kids kits. So right here I have the Totally Awesome scrapbooking kit and the Cool Vibes scrapbooking kit, and I have been doing these with my kids for the last couple of months, and this one in particular is for my son Wesley. I got a custom spine, I added his name, and it says my first album, and I cut that down to fit my 8x8 album. But again, this whole book is done with kids kits. It's the easiest way to complete an album, let me tell you. So here we have Wesley's first page that he ever did. He wrote his name here, Wesley's first scrapbook. Now he did a lot of the cutting of the edges, but he did this, but he is still only 4.5, so we definitely did this as a team. He picked all the photos. I have a big box of photos that maybe haven't been used yet or was going to be used and never made it on the page, so he picked from there. We did some practice with the border maker system. I think his favorite thing ever is the stickers here. Lots of stickers, and the stamps are so fun. And then this page we did back in April or May, and it was right after On the Mend came out. I don't know if you guys saw this fun technique to create little band-aids for your layout, but we made those as well. This is him working with the border maker system. Honestly, quite impressed here, getting that edge. And then he had to put his current masterpiece from his Baby Shark coloring book. Now we have the Cool Vibes kit, which is my favorite birthday gift for Wesley's friends. We just gave it to our 6-year-old neighbor. She's very excited. We had to do a page about Wesley's great-grandparents. That's great-grandma Dee and great-grandma Barb, who we call Gigi. So for this, I would ask him, what do you want to write on this? And he would say, I love my Gigi and my great-grandma Dee. So Wesley and his dad, Wesley and his uncle, his grandparents, Minnesota grandparents, Michigan grandparents. Wesley's uncle, Joel. And probably my favorite photo of all time of Wesley when he was dressed as Stitch for Halloween. We'll definitely have to get a full page with this and the other photos from that Halloween for Hide and Eek. So now we have the Animal Friends Kids Kit. This one's super fun. It comes with fun washi tape here, this little orange tie-dye, tons of embellishments and puffy stickers and holographic stickers. It's so fun. It comes with all of these different colors of gel pens, which he had a blast with. This one he was a little more specific where he wanted things. So you can definitely see that his technique has been developed. I'm dressed as a tiger. We picked out a bunch of animal photos for this one. The animal embellishments do not always go with the photos that he picks out, but that is okay. And then we had his little sister Charlotte help out with these last couple of pages. You can probably notice that here. And then I just have one more page here, and I'm gonna show as soon as I get a 8x8 pocket for it. So that is Wesley's album. We love looking at it. It has definitely made its way around our house, taken a bit of a beating, and it holds up so well with 3 tiny kids always wanting to look at it. So easiest way to complete an album is to get these 3 kids kits, finish them all, cut them out, and put them in an 8x8, and you have yourself a completed album. Thanks, guys.